In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audiobooks using Elevenlabs AI. If you've ever dreamed of turning your written work into an engaging audiobook, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process, making it simple and efficient. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Elevenlabs website. Elevenlabs offers a powerful AI voice generator that's perfect for creating professional-sounding audiobooks from your text. Open up your browser and type in the Elevenlabs homepage URL. Once you're there, you'll find a clear and straightforward layout that will help guide you on your audiobook creation journey. After reaching the homepage, locate the Sign In option. Signing in is crucial because it grants you access to all the features available on Elevenlabs. Click on the Sign In link, where you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option for you to sign up. Completing either of these steps will lead you to the Elevenlabs home screen, a hub of creative possibilities. Now that you're signed in and at the home screen, we're going to head over to the audiobook section. Here, you'll find everything you need to get started on your audiobook project. Look for the button labeled Audiobook and go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the dedicated area for audiobook creation, filled with options and tools to assist you. Once you're in the audiobook section, the next step is to click on the Create an Audiobook button. This choice helps initiate the process, enabling you to upload content and customize your audiobook to your liking. On the subsequent screen, you'll see the option to upload a document. This step is optional, but if you have a pre-written manuscript, it's incredibly straightforward to upload and convert it directly into an audiobook format. Simply click Upload a Document and choose the file from your computer. Following a successful upload, the next element to focus on is selecting the default voice. Elevenlabs offers a variety of AI-generated voice options, and you can choose the one that suits the tone and style of your audiobook best. Experiment it with different voices if you like, to find the most fitting narrator for your story. As you move forward, it's time to finalize your project. Simply click on the Create button to start generating your audiobook. The AI will take your document and chosen voice, turning them into a cohesive audiobook file. Once the creation process is done, you'll have the opportunity to listen to the results. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments to ensure the final product meets your expectations. And there you have it, a straightforward method for transforming your text into an immersive auditory experience using Elevenlabs AI. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope this has inspired you to create audiobooks with ease and confidence. Until next time, happy audiobook creating!